I mean, listen, anybody can tell you anything, but if you don't know, and for me, if you're not hands-on and training and doing it, then you're gonna make a mistake. Hi, my name is Jorelle. I'm from Queens, New York, and my business is Studio 167 Correspondent Detailing. And I'm here to get certified with wrapping and tinting to add on to my business, and already certified in reconditioning auto specialist. So I just did research. I wanted to, first I wanted to find what I wanted to do, and then once I found what I wanted to do, I wanted the best. So I did some little research and found this one. And as you see, I flew all the way from New York to here, so I could have even took some classes in New York City where I was at, but I wanted to be different. So for me to stand out, I had to come somewhere different where they made me stand out. So I came here. I never done it before. I seen it, and trust me, just like detailing, I thought I knew it, but it's totally different when you get to it. So having that hands-on training made me realize like it's nothing like what I thought or what I seen. And so I definitely love coming here and getting the hands-on training to see what it's really about. Ruben's a great trainer, man. Obviously, I wouldn't have came back. It's great having someone that has the experience that he has. Great trainer, very clear in his instructions, and have you very confident on coming out and doing whatever it is that you come to do, whether it's detailing, whether it's tinting, whether it's wrapping. He definitely boosts your confidence up, and I'm great to have him, man. I mean, listen, anybody can tell you anything, but if you don't know, and for me, if you're not hands-on and training and doing it, then you're gonna make a mistake, to me, And honestly, that's the only way I'm really able to learn and to move forward in whatever it is that I'm doing. Yeah, the tucking, the corners is it. For me, the corners was like, so we got them corners down packed, tucking. It's just amazing just knowing things that you didn't know from before, which was hardly anything, and learning where to tuck it and learning how to cut them corners and do inlays and stuff like that. So it's definitely great, man. I'm having fun with it right now. Doing something with your hands and changing whatever it is that was before to something totally different and better. It's the best feeling in the world of me, having a happy customer and they wanting to come back to you again. It's the best. I'm gonna definitely try to get more practice. The more cars you do, the more experience you have. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do my car first, and then I'm gonna move on. I think tinting, I'll probably be right away. I'm a 5-star rating on Google. My business is Studio 167 Correspondent Detailing, and with the help of Ruben, I was able to get that 5-star rating when people wanted to go online and give me that review. So with the clientele that I had, you get people that come in and ask for other things, and I wanted to be a one-stop shop. So where else would to come to but Right Look, who got me where I'm at now, and Ruben being the best teacher that I've had so far, it was a no-brainer for me. Having certification, being trained, gives you more confidence. It gives your customers more confidence in you, knowing that he knows what he's doing, Not just saying, hey, I can do this. He knows what he's doing. He's certified. He's a certified installer, certified auto recondition specialist, or certified tint installer. It's nothing like it. Like I said, if you want training and you want hands-on and you want confidence to go out there and do what you do and to expand your business and to get good customers and give customers good quality work, Right Look is the place to be. I suggest you get here quick.